It is already video number 3 and you are no longer a complete beginner. But your games still feel random. One moment you are winning, the next moment you lose everything. In this video, I will show you the exact principles that will make your game more controlled and consistent. Let's start. Chapter 1. Play with a plan. Principle number 1. Don't play random moves. Every move should have a purpose. Ask, what am I trying to do? Principle number 2. Improve your worst piece. Instead of moving active piece, activate your weakest one. Principle number 3. Think one move ahead. Before moving, imagine your opponent's reply. Principle number 4. Don't attack without reason. Only attack if it creates a real threat. Don't sacrifice without a reason. Chapter 2. Smarter development. Principle number 5. Finish development before attacking. Bring all pieces out before launching attack. Principle number 6. Connect your rooks. Move pieces so rooks defend each other. Principle number 7. Don't block your own pieces. Avoid pressing pieces while they restrict others. Principle number 8. Avoid moving same piece too much. It wastes time and slows the development. Chapter 3. Better use of pieces. Principle number 9. Knights belong in the center. Knights are strongest when placed centrally. Principle number 10. Bishops like open diagonals. Try to keep paths clear for bishops. Principle number 11. Rooks belong on open files. Rooks are powerful when not blocked. Principle number 12. Use the queen carefully. Don't expose it to attacks. Chapter 4. Captures and Trades. Principle number 13. Trade when you are winning. Simplify the game if you are ahead. Complicate the game if you are losing. Principle number 14. Avoid unnecessary trades. Don't trade without a concrete reason. Principle number 15. Think before capturing. Not every capture is a good move. The golden principle is to take is a mistake. Principle number 16. Recapture properly. Choose best piece to take back. Chapter 5. Tactical awareness. Principle number 17. Rook for forks. Fork means one piece attacks two at once. Principle number 18. Rook for pins. Piece cannot move because something behind it is more valuable. Principle number 19. Rook for skewers. A strong piece is forced to move and weaker one is behind. Principle number 20. Always check opponent tactics. It prevents surprises and it reduces blunders. Chapter 6. King's Safety and Attacks. Principle number 21. Don't open your king too much. Pawn moves near king can be dangerous. Principle number 22. Attack only when ready. Don't rush attack without support. Principle number 23. Bring more pieces to attack. One piece attack rarely works. Chapter 7. Game Habits. Principle number 24. Run from every game. Review mistakes of every game after playing the game. Principle number 25. Stay calm when losing. Don't panic, look for chances. At this level, improvement comes from better decisions, not from faster moves. If you follow these principles, your games will stop feeling random and start making sense. In the next video, we'll take it further and help you build real consistency in your play. Thank you.